Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to play the C major chord 11 different ways on the guitar. That's right, 11. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the notes in a C major chord are C, E, and G. When you play those notes combined, they make a C major chord. That's a C major triad. We'll start with the C chord that everybody knows, the traditional C chord. The first finger is on the first fret, B string. The middle finger is on the D string, fret 2, and the ring finger is on the A string, fret 3. And we traditionally strum that chord from the C. But since E is in the triad, we can strum it from the low E string as well. We can also make a C chord by taking the ring finger out of the mix and strumming from the D string. This way we get a C chord that is higher in pitch. For our next C chord, we're going to go up to fret 5 and hold down the D, G, and B string, and we'll just play those strings and we get a C chord. A simple C chord. If we want to turn that into a bar chord, we're going to put a finger on fret 3 of the A string and use the ring finger to bar fret 5 and play from the A string down, and that's a bar C. In order to make a Jimi Hendrix style C chord, we're going to bar fret 5 from the A string down and hammer on with the ring finger to fret 7 on the A string, like this. And we can do little tricks like this one. That's a C chord inversion. If we move the hand up to fret 8, we can play a high C chord like this. So now we're holding down the B and high E string with the first finger at fret 8, the G string at fret 9, and the D string at fret 10. And we play that by strumming from the D string down. To add a little flavor to that, we can bring in our little finger and play that chord this way. Now I'm playing from the A string down and holding down the A string at fret 10. We can make that into a bar chord by taking the first finger and barring fret 8, and now we've got an E chord shape. And that's our traditional full bar on all the strings. One more thing. Any chord that has open notes in it, like this one, is called an open chord. Now any chord that has notes only on the fretboard is considered to be a movable chord. So if I play a C like this, if I use only those strings, I can move it around. I get the same chord, only it's in a different key. For this C chord, we'll only use 3 strings. we're playing the high E string and B string at fret 8, and then putting a finger on the G string at fret 9. This is a cool chord to play around with. Here's one at the 12th fret. That's played by holding down the G string at fret 12, the high E string at fret 12, and the B string at fret 13. And finally, we'll go up to fret 12 and play this C chord. For this one, I'm borrowing fret 12 from the D string down. I'm going to bring in a finger to the B string, fret 13, and a finger to D string, fret 14. So now I have a C chord high up on the neck. Well, that about wraps it up for this tutorial. That's 11 different ways to play the C major chord on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.